What do I carry when I go for a short blast around Jersey? Well, let me show you. So let's take this little bag out. So I do love those. I mean, that'll expand and that'll take my helmet. So what do I carry when I go for a ride? Let's have a look here. So I have a pump, an air pump by Rocky Mountain. I've used this. Here we go. I've used this quite a few times when away. There we go. That there will pump up a tyre. You know, nice and small and compact on the battery. Sweet as a whistle. Or if you don't want to put it on the battery, you also have this option. Where is it? Did I forget to pack it? No. You can also stick it on that, which ain't too bad. All I've got to do is just change the fitting, so I can use that. That there will jump. That'll jump my motorcycle. I had to jump my Suzuki GSXR when I went away on the MotoGP, as the battery kept failing. But yeah, no, that worked. Most important thing, puncture repair kit, because you just never know. And the amount of people that do not take a puncture repair kit with them. So those 3 items there, essential. They will save you in a whistle. And then of course I've just got some other stuff. I've got my visor cleaner, just to clean off some bugs and crap. Spare camera, I've got to fit these yet. That's ignore those, they'll be getting fitted to the bike eventually. I have my selfie stick, which can extend, and there's a base to it and everything. Those just open out, and of course a little remote control which is there, and it comes off, so I'll be using that a bit more. I have my drift camera as well, so don't use that as much as I do now. And I've got some spare batteries for my DJI Osmo camera, and in there I've got a load of extra micro SD cards just in case I fill up the camera. So, but yeah, that's what I carry when I go out just for a bimble, for a ride around Jersey. Obviously I'll take this away with me as well. So, but some good kit not to go without.